Welcome to YouTube, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance vehicles of 2025, the Mercedes AMG GT50. If you're a fan of speed, power, and precision engineering, then this is the car that's been keeping you up at night. Strap in because we're about to explore why the GT50 is set to redefine the world of luxury sports cars. First, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. The 2025 AMG GT50 is powered by a next-generation 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing the limits of performance. We're talking about 600 horsepower on tap, with torque numbers that will throw you back in your seat every time you hit the accelerator. 0 to 60 mph, just a blistering 3.1 seconds. The GT50 is not just fast, it's an absolute force of nature on the road. But of course, power means nothing if it's not paired with control. Enter Mercedes' cutting-edge suspension system and rear-wheel drive setup, finely tuned to offer exceptional handling. Whether you're carving through tight mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the GT50 adapts to your every command. And let's not forget the active aerodynamics, which ensure that the car stays glued to the pavement, even at high speeds. Design-wise, this car is a statement. From the aggressive front grille to the sleek sculpted body, the GT50 looks like it means business. The designers at Mercedes have seamlessly combined elegance with raw power, creating a car that doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. The signature AMG styling is there, but with subtle updates that make it feel fresh and modern. Inside, the cabin is an extension of the car's performance capabilities. Luxurious leather upholstery, state-of-the-art tech, and a driver-focused cockpit make sure that every drive feels special. The digital dashboard offers all the information you need, and with the latest infotainment system, you're always connected, no matter where the road takes you. This car is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of what Mercedes has been working toward for years, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and innovation. The AMG GT50 is not just a car, it's an experience, one that promises to make every journey a thrilling adventure. So, if you're ready to experience the future of automotive excellence, the 2025 Mercedes AMG GT50 should be at the top of your list. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates, and let us know in the comments, would you take this beauty for a spin? Stay tuned for more exciting car content right here on the channel.